Multiple choice questions on Power Plant Engineering, Part 10. Question number 91. The specific work output of steam in the turbine is more than that in the pump because option A, the efficiency of the turbine is higher than that in the pump. Option B, the inlet state of steam in turbine is at high pressure and temperature. Option C, the specific volume of steam at turbine inlet is high. Option D, the condenser pressure is low. The correct answer is the specific volume of steam at turbine inlet is high. The specific work output of steam in the turbine is more than that in the pump because the specific volume of steam at turbine inlet is high. Question number 92. This is not an attractive feature of a combined cycle power plant. Option A, large output combined with high cycle efficiency. Option B, low emission level. Option C, low investment cost. Option D, lack of investment cost. The correct answer is lack of investment cost. Lack of investment cost is not an attractive feature of a combined cycle power plant. Question number 93. It is difficult to burn. Option A, anthracite. Option B, bituminous coal. Option C, lignite. Option D, petroleum coke. The correct answer is anthracite. Anthracite is difficult to burn. Question number 94. It indicates the behavior coal when it is heated. Option A, ultimate analysis. Option B, proximate analysis. Option C, swelling index. Option D, heating value. The correct answer is proximate analysis. Proximate analysis indicates the behavior coal when it is heated. Question number 95. The required properties of fuel oil combustion are option A, specific gravity. Option B, viscosity. Option C, power point and flash point. Option D, all of the above. Here the correct answer is all of the above. The required properties of fuel oil combustion are specific gravity, viscosity and power point and flash point. Question number 96. The conversion of coal into petroleum requires the addition of this element to coal. Option A, oxygen. Option B, hydrogen. Option C, nitrogen. Option D, methane. The correct answer is hydrogen. The conversion of coal into petroleum requires the addition of this element to coal is hydrogen. Question number 97. The biggest energy loss in the steam generator occurs due to option A, incomplete combustion of fuel. Option B, dry exhaust gas leaving the chimney. Option C, unburnt carbon. Option D, moisture and hydrogen in fuel. The correct answer is dry exhaust gas leaving the chimney. The biggest energy loss in the steam generator occurs due to dry exhaust gas leaving the chimney. Question number 98. Bleeding in turbine means option A, leakage of steam, option B, steam doing no useful work, option C, extracted steam per preheating feed water, option D, exhausted steam to condenser. The correct answer is extracted steam for preheating feed water. Bleeding in turbine means extracted steam for preheating feed water. Question number 99. The most efficient ideal regenerative steam power cycle is option A, Rankine cycle, option B, Carnot cycle, option C, Brayton cycle, option D, Joule cycle. The correct answer is Carnot cycle. The most efficient ideal regenerative steam power cycle is Carnot cycle. Question number 100. A closed cycle gas turbine works on option A, Rankine cycle, option B, Carnot cycle, option C, Ericsson cycle, option D, Joule cycle. The correct answer is Joule cycle. A closed cycle gas turbine works on Joule cycle. Let us see the explanation. The closed cycle gas turbine works on the basis of Brayton cycle or Joule cycle. Gas is compressed isentropically in this type of gas turbine by a compressor, which then flows into a heating chamber. Rota-type compressors are preferred in this type of gas turbine. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.